Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we review the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we've got something special for you, the SimpliSafe wireless outdoor security camera. If you're looking for the best outdoor camera for Synology Surveillance Station, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll dive deep into the features of this camera, explore its capabilities, and explain why it's a fantastic choice for your outdoor security needs. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the design. The SimpliSafe outdoor security camera boasts a sleek and modern look. It's compact and designed to blend seamlessly with your outdoor surroundings. The white and black color scheme ensures it doesn't stand out like a sore thumb. Now, let's get into the key features that make this camera stand out. With a 140 field of view, this camera covers a large area, allowing you to keep an eye on what's happening outside 24/7. Whether it's your front yard, backyard, or driveway, this camera has you covered. The SimpliSafe camera is equipped with advanced motion detection. You'll receive alerts whenever someone approaches your property. No more wondering what's happening outside, you'll always be in the know. When it comes to video quality, this camera doesn't disappoint. It offers 1080p resolution and 8x zoom, ensuring you can see every detail clearly, even from up to 15 feet away. Worried about the dark? Don't be. This camera features color night vision with a built-in spotlight and HDR technology. It ensures you can see clearly in low light or dark conditions. Setting up the SimpliSafe camera is a breeze, and the best part is, no wiring is needed. You can have it up and running in just 5 minutes. Before we continue, it's important to note that this product is designed for use in the US. If you're located internationally, you may need an adapter or converter for compatibility. Now, let's talk about the price. The SimpliSafe wireless outdoor security camera is currently available at a discounted price of $146.82. Considering its features and capabilities, this is a steal. But wait, there's more. You can enhance your security setup by adding accessories like the UYODM wall mount holder, which is compatible with this camera. It allows for 360 degrees rotation and secure mounting. Don't just take our word for it. This camera has received rave reviews from customers. It has a 4.3-star rating based on 1,735 ratings, with many praising its ease of installation, picture quality, and signal strength. In conclusion, the SimpliSafe wireless outdoor security camera is a top-notch choice for your outdoor surveillance needs. With its wide field of view, motion detection, high-resolution video, and color night vision, it's a complete package. So, if you're looking to enhance your security system with the best outdoor camera for Synology Surveillance Station, click the link in the description to get yours today. Don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews and tech insights. That's it for today's review. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and secure.